Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Just wanted to do a little video of Iroh here. I'm letting him roam Zeus's enclosure because Zeus is out roaming himself. So I'm giving Iroh a chance at a bigger enclosure for a little bit to roam, because as you can see, when the opportunity is given to him, he likes to go. Where you going? No, you're too small to roam outside of an enclosure yet. You can't go out there. Yeah, so Iroh shed actually, and I forgot to actually share that with everybody. He shed for the very first time with me not too long ago. Post some pictures of his before. You can see him now. You know, he looks great. That was him in blue. So it's early in the morning. It's like 5, 4, 6. I don't even know. I've been up a minute. I mean, he's got some amazing colors that are going to be coming in through as he gets older. He's got some amazing colors now that are going to fade. Come back here. He's gonna just look so good when he's older. I am sad that these yellows that he has and this on his dorsal and along his side are most likely going to fade a bit, and he's gonna be more of a brown, not like a normal ball python brown, but you know, like a light chocolate brown. It's gonna be very beautiful. Just those yellow specks that I really enjoy are gonna fade out from what I have seen, but either way, they grow up to be very beautiful snakes. And as you can see, he is far from any kind of a pet rock. My experience in that has gotten a lot better, as that was my first experience with ball pythons. But not this guy. He's super active and always willing to go. So just an update on Iroh. Alright everybody, love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your family. Keep spreading those herps. I'm just gonna let him do a little roam around in here. You guys have a great day. TWR's out. Iroh's out.